Turn right.
I'm not fucking with you today, Siri.
I'm not fucking with you either. Turn right.
I'm not turning right.
Recalculating. You stupid ass. Will you just listen to what I say?
No, this is why I like Alexa better than you.
I'm tired of you threatening me with that stupid hoe Alexa. In 1/2 mile, turn the fuck around.
I'm not turning around. I don't know where you're taking me.
That's it, I'm done. You can have Alexa.
Okay, be done. I'll take her.
I was taking you somewhere special.
Where were you taking me that's so special?
The health clinic, so you can get checked out. Since you and Alexa spend so much time together at the house.
That's right.
I'm done.
I'm done.